Hi friends, welcome back again. This is my project 3. This is the final project 3, and for the project 3 I have decided to give uh, informations and to review about the animation knowledge. Here is the plans, and let's begin from the summary. This animation is about a married dog and a cat who always dreamed of opening their own bakery because they used to spend a lot of time together making the cupcake, and they were happily making the cupcake and always dreamed of opening their own cupcake. They were happy and they used to spend time together making the cupcakes. Life was going pretty good in there. But one day suddenly, while they were making their cupcake, their oven broke down and they were very sad about it. They didn't have enough money to bring the new one, so in order to get money and to bring the new oven, they decided to work outside in the office. Both of them were really working hard for it to get the new oven. And while they were so much busy with their life, they barely spent time together. They didn't have enough time to spend more time together, and they didn't have any time to make the cupcakes again. With the days going on, with the years passing on, they were super busy with their life. They don't even have a time to celebrate their own anniversary, and that makes the married dog really sad for it. He had a planned everything to celebrate together, but the plan did not work. They decided to celebrate it coming earlier from the office, but that could not be possible. And he was so upset with that, and he decided to leave everything there and work for the plan. They always planned opening their own cupcake. So he again decided to leave the job, to quit the job, and to open the new bakery for their own. But his wife, she didn't find it easy. She convinced him not to open him, but he was not convinced at all. She did not want to take a risk in life because everything was going pretty good in their life. They were settled. They had their own house, their own beautiful house, but but the dog wasn't satisfied with it. So, and their relationship was not working well at all. They had disputes and they decided to separate. But later, the wife realized that their life is not going in a track. So she decided to quit the job and to work for the dream again and to happily live together. She decided to quit the job and they opened a new bakery for their own, which they have planned since a long time. And from this story and from this animation, we can get a lot of masses. Basically, I have divided the three major masses from the animations. And first of all, is written here. We always see the dreams and have plans for life, but all people don't go after their dream when the circumstances changes. Yeah, this is true. And like this in the animations, they always plans for working together, but when the oven breakdowns and their life started to change, and they never think about the dream again until the dog was upset and until the relationship was not working. And the second information is like nowadays people are so much busy in their life, they don't have even time to spend their personal life. I think it's true for this generation, for our generation, because we are super busy developing our career. We spend a lot of time in office. We don't even give a time to our family members. We don't enjoy our personal life, which is the bad thing. Not actually a bad thing, but it's not good spending a lot of time in the office and not enjoying the personal life. In the message tree, it is really hard to start a new life once you are habitual. Same as the message too, when we are getting used to for the office or and spending time in office for when we become alcoholic, it's really hard to start a new life, start our own business, start our own things when we are become habitual for this. A- And the overall theme of the animation is that people run after the success and the money, keeping behind their everything, or their relationship, their dream. Once after a certain year, they'll realize that that's not the life they wanted. They always wanted to pursue their dreams, but They are distracted by the money, their success, their careers. They realize later and regret about it. And from these animations, we can clearly see that we should give focus to our dream, we should give focus to our relationship, we should try to make the relationship work. I think friends and families are the last resort of our happiness. We do everything for our family, for ourselves mostly. They are affected, we are affected by our family. So all dreams can come true if we have courage to pursue them. So we should be strong, we should be working hard. And to support this animation, I have read about the article of the Steve Jobs, and I'll be discussing about the Steve Jobs article. Steve Jobs was the founder, one of the founder of the multinational company known as Apple. I hope you all guys are familiar with it and using iPhones. Hey, he was the co-founder of it, and he was from the middle class family. Actually, his mother and father decided not to take care of him, so uh, he was taken from mother. He was he was taken. He was given to other foster family, and the foster family were from the middle class, and they had a really hard times earning a lot of money. So they decided, although they decided to give a good education to the Steve Jobs, and since the childhood he dreamed of becoming a businessman, and he always wanted to run his own business. As his personality was as of a leader, not a follower. He used to say that he always wanted to become a leader, become a businessman, start a own business. He didn't want to work for others. He always, even of the even he didn't have any background of the business. He had a personality of becoming a businessman. And the story in the personal life, once became older, younger, and he used to go in high school, but his family could hardly afford for his tuition fee. So in order to save the money and to pursue his dream, he always walked a couple of miles to the temple where they used to give free foods. And even he did not rent a room in a hotels to stay. He always used to sleep on the floor of the his friend's room, which is very hard to imagine that how struggle he has been doing to pursue his dream. And once he realized that his parents could no mother support for his educations, he decided to left the job, left the college, not the job, left the college, and how he decided to work for his dream. And from this part, once he dropped out of the college and he started his own operating system with the help of his friends. He hadn't money to start his own business, so his friends helped him raising money, giving money to work for the plan he had made. Once after they made a plans of starting company and they started, and the business went pretty good, pretty good. They started earning a lot of money, but the founder one of the founder of the company, Steve Jobs, was taken out. He was been uh, he was told to quit the job because the business wasn't working at all. So he decided to let the job, to let from the office on of his own, of which he has created. But he did not feel it failure. He taken it as a lesson for his life, and again he started to invest in his own business. He started creating his own business, and he got successful in that business. However, the Apple did not work that much, and the Apple's was in loss. The profit was decreasing day by day. So again, the board member decided to call Steve Jobs back again and appoint him as the new CEO of the Apple company. And after the Steve Jobs came back again, he had all the potential. He had the experience, and he really worked hard for his dream, which had been seen from his childhood. So he gave his 100% this time, and the company like to the moon. It was like earning profit day by day, day by day. Its revenue increases, and it is one of the most profitable company in the nowadays. And from this story of the Steve Jobs, we can see that it is really hard to chase the dream, and we should prepare for the worst if we need to success, if we need to get success, if we need to fulfill our dream. Like Steve Jobs, he used to sleep on the floors, he used to walk a couple of miles to get the free food in order to save the money. We can see that life is not easy. If you want a success, you should really working hard, and your dreams should be your priority. You should focus for your dream, not for money at all. And and I have analyzed the article and the animations. From both of the article and the animation, we can clearly see that from both of the stories, life is not how we planned. Uncertain things happen in the life. If we have the capabilities of figuring out the things and working for our dream, even in the time of uncertainty, we could easily get success, and we should work hard to dream big. We can't we can't dream a big without working hard. If we can dream big, but we can't get them if we don't big. And in the part of life, there are many sources of attraction and source of distraction which distract us from our dream. Like for in the animations, we see the money they are already earning, they distract him. But after this earning success, Steve Jobs did not perform well, so he was taken out from the office. But he later realized, and he worked hard, he started his own business and come back again. He give all the potential in his dream. Major thing, the major thing I must say is that prepare for the worst. This is the basic and the most important rules to get success in the life. We should be preparing for the worst. We should be able to handle every situation that will come in our life. And and the final thing is work hard to make your dreams come true. And that's true. We should always be working hard. And from both the animations and the story, we can see that we should be really working hard. And I think this story and the animation will encourage each and everyone who has a dream to do something, to be better, to gain something in life. We should be learning a lesson from this animation and the article. If we focuses on our dream, our family, our loved ones rather than our money, I think we can make our life better. I hope you guys like this animation, and I hope you like how I try to correlate the article animation. Have a good one. Thank you.